China has come out against the UK's decision to give citizenship to Hong Kong natives. China has asked the UK to correct the mistake immediately. China on Friday threatened to stop recognizing the UK-based passports for Hong Kong residents. The reaction came after the country reaffirmed its plan to offer a route to its citizenship to thousands of people living in Hong Kong, the former British colony. The British government announced in July that it would open a new special pathway to facilitate British citizenship for eligible Hong Kongers from January 2021, after China imposed a new national security law on Hong Kong. The British offer is not for all residents of Hong Kong, but only those holding a British national overseas or a BNO passport. China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijiang told a media briefing here that the Chinese government has repeatedly made clear its strong stance on this issue, but the British side has insisted on interfering with Hong Kong affairs and China's domestic issues. As the British side broke its own promises that the Chinese government will consider not recognizing the BNO passport as a valid travel document and reserve the right to impose further measures, he said. The new Hong Kong BNO visa will allow the holder to enter and remain in Britain for an initial period of 30 months, extendable by a further 30 months or a single period of 5 years, according to information on the British government's website. You will be able to work and study, but you won't be able to access public funds such as social welfare benefits, Hong Kong-based South China Morning quoted the statement as saying, holders can apply to settle in Britain once they have lived there for 5 years. After 12 months with this status, you can apply for British citizenship, the statement said. More than 1 million people from Hong Kong could move to Britain in the next 5 years under the new visa scheme, according to Hong Kong-based South China Morning. Around 3 lakh people currently hold a BNO passport, while an estimated 29 lakh people are eligible for it, according to the British Consulate General in Hong Kong. Britain handed over Hong Kong, its former colony, to Chinese rule on July 1, 1997, under a one country, two systems framework that was supposed to guarantee the city a high degree of autonomy and Western-style civil liberties not seen on mainland China. China imposed the new national security law in Hong Kong after repeated protests there demanding more democracy and less Chinese influence. Under this law, Chinese will have the power to impose punishments of up to life imprisonment for offences such as secession, subversion and terrorism. News Desk, Kaumudi English.